This video is about how to edit the project save reminder and the recovery file settings in NVivo 12 for Windows. Those of you who already work with NVivo will probably be familiar with this window that pops up every 15 minutes reminding you to save your project. And I don't know about you, but I have sometimes found this very distracting, especially when I really wanted to focus on my analysis. And it did take me a while, but I found a very easy way of amending this reminder. And on the next couple of slides, I'm going to show you how you can do it. To start, we need to click on File on the top left. This brings us here, and we now want to click on the last option entitled Options on the left. We are now in the Application options and want to go to the tab with the title Notification. To get there, you need to click on the tab title. Here we are. I circulated the relevant bit in red, and you can see that you can either switch off the reminder completely or you can change how often it appears. And once you have found your preferred option, you can click on Apply and OK. But you should be aware that these are the general NVivo settings that will apply to all of your project on your future projects and not just to the one that you are working on at that minute. But I want you to think carefully about the changes that you're making to these settings, because the reminder is there for a reason, and it is important that you do not forget to save your project regularly, because especially when it increases in size, there may be occasional problems and you then might need to restart NVivo, and you want to avoid losing much of the work that you have been doing on your project. This then brings me to the second topic I wanted to cover in this short video, which is the recovery file. As some of you might already know, NVivo creates a recovery file for each of your project, which is then automatically updates once a day. However, also here I found out that you can change these settings, and on the next slides I'm going to show you how. So we are back here in the Notification tab of the Application options, and we now need to click on Project Recovery. And here you can see that you can, for example, change how often the recovery file is updated or if it should never be saved. And as you can see, you can also find where your recovery file is stored, and you can change that if you want to. And if you're happy with these settings, again, you then click Apply and OK. But I wanted to make you aware that the changes that you make here are again not just changing the project you're working on at the moment, but they apply to all of your NVivo projects. I hope you found this video useful. Do leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and go to researchtales.com to find the slides that I used in this presentation, and keep in touch via YouTube and Twitter for more.